Some say there's a shattered backboard leather. Let's check it out and see. What's good YouTube, Ash Bash, back again with another video. If you saw my previous video, I've been under the weather, which is why my videos have been so long in coming out. Still under the weather, still might sound a little bit off, but powering through, finished work early. Let me get this video out for you guys. So yes, I have another pair of Jordans, another pair of Jordan 1s. Fast become my favourite Jordans. Used to be the 3s and the 4s, but the 1s are just fire. And loving them at the moment. So let's check out this dope ass pair. So these come in your standard Jordan box, black and red. And it says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the sail and university red colorway. As you see in the shoes, the sail is basically like an off-white, but it's a nice, very nice color. And you'll find that also on the shattered backboards, the little off-white color on there is sail as well. Maybe that's why the leather material is as close. Maybe sail is the material that they go ham on. I wonder. But here are the bad boys. Let's get up close and show you what they're like. So, boom. As you can see, a very simple kick in its details. Literally all one color. This sail color all the way around. Looks white probably on the camera. It's hard to capture in this light. But it's a slightly off-white in its colorway. Not exactly beige, I'd just say just off-white. But super fire, and just feeling it, this material, this tumbled leather is serious business. So let's get you some little close-ups and show you the little details up close. So as you can see on the toe box, perforated toe box with that lovely tumbled leather going on around it. Side of the shoe here, you've got the leather swoosh. Not in tumbled leather, then along this side paneling is in tumbled leather and it is just buttery soft. And towards the back heel counter, again, more of a harder bit of leather. Inside the shoe, exactly the same again. It has got an debossed, I'm gonna say debossed Wings logo on here, again in the off-white. Comes with your standard mesh tongue, with the only color hits of the shoe, which is the red Nike Air written on there, and the inside of the tongue as well. And laces wise, comes with the standard flat off-white laces, and I believe there's a second pair of laces. Let me quickly check that for you. And yes, there is. There's a pair of university red laces in there. Not sure how it would look. Don't think I can be bothered to take these out again because Jordan, as you know, come unlaced. So I had the laces up already. Don't think I can be asked to take them out again. But kind of these red laces, I might do it one day, change it up. But I kind of like the all-white sort of off-white look. So not for now. They also came with another pair of off-white laces. I haven't opened it. They kind of look slightly different, but to me it looks pretty much the same. I don't know. Weird one. That was stuffed inside the shoe as well. I don't know. And the sole of the shoe comes with your standard Jordan 1 pattern. Nice and clean with the off-white colorway where it says Nike in the middle there. And the midsole, exact same as usual. That same pattern that you get on all your Jordan 1s. Fire flames. But yeah, material wise, super fire. You know Jordan 1s. Fire silhouette. You like them or you don't like them. But yeah, chuck them on feet. Tell me what you think. Lego. And we back. So that was a quick look at the Jordan 1 sail on feet. Tell me what you think. I think they're dope. With a colorway like this, literally can go with anything. Light pair of denim, light joggers, anything like that goes fire. These as well, super cheap at the moment. I saw them for as cheap as, I think it was £74. They're on Nike around Christmas time. I actually got these from Offspring a while ago. Unfortunately a bit more than that. I think it was 80 or 90 where I paid for it, but still cheaper than the 130 that they retailed at. But super fire kit that you can probably get for the low still. So have a look for some Jordan 1 in the sail colorway. If you want a pair of Jordan 1s that are in fire materials, check these bad boys out. Anywho, that is the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. More videos to come. Ashbash signing off. Later, y'all.